If you've been wondering how much PSL players could be earning, in this video I've got you covered. Before we dive right into the video, please make sure you leave a thumbs up for this video and subscribe if you haven't. Let's look at the highest paid soccer players in the DStv Premier Soccer League in 2021. At number 10, we have Thulani Hlatshwayo. Hlatshwayo joined Orlando Pirates at the start of this current season from Bidvest Birds. The Bafana Bafana skipper earns an estimated salary of 300,000 rands per month. At number 9, we have George Maluleka. George joined Mamelodi Sundowns last season from Kaizer Chiefs. The Tembisa-born midfielder earned an estimated salary of 350,000 rands per month. At number 8, we have Peter Shalulile. The Namibian assassin is one of the valuable strikers in the PSL. Peter joined Mamelodi Sundowns this season after an impressive season with Highlands Park, catching the eye of Mamelodi Sundowns' technical team. Shalulile earns an estimated salary of 350,000 per month. At number 7, we have Tlhompho Kekana. Bra Tlhompho is one of the long-serving players at Mamelodi Sundowns. Tlhompho joined the Brazilians in 2011 and he's won several trophies with the Tshwane Giants. He earns an estimated salary of 450,000 per month. At number 6, we have Gaston Sirino, the South American-born playmaker who's worth a price tag of 90 million rands, earns an estimated salary of 450,000 per month. At number 5, we have Kermit Erasmus. The little Napoleon joined Sundowns after a much anticipated move earlier last year. After a successful spell at Cape Town City, Kermit earns an estimated salary of 450,000 per month. At number 4, we have Itumeleng Khune. Mzansi's number 1 is one of the highest paid goalkeepers in the DStv Premier Soccer League. Although his contract will be expiring at the end of this current season, Khune earns an estimated salary of 480,000 rands per month. At number 3, we have Dion Hoto. The Namibian-born is the highest paid player at Orlando Pirates and in the Namibian national team, and he earns an estimated salary of 500,000 per month. At number 2, we have Khama Billiat. After being the highest paid player last season, Khama finds himself second on the top 10 highest paid players with an estimated salary of 800,000 per month. And finally, at number 1, we have Samir Nokovic. Samir recently signed a new deal with Amakosi, making him the most paid player in the club and in the entire DStv Premier Soccer League. He is reported to be earning over 1 million rands per month after his salary increase of 30% before the start of the season. That's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel.